How does enterprise car rental work? When it comes to car rentals, Enterprise is one of the most recognized and trusted brands in the industry. With a global presence in over 90 countries and a fleet of over 1.7 million vehicles, Enterprise has established itself as a leader in the car rental market. But have you ever wondered how it works? So, as for its business model and operational strategies, at its core, Enterprise Car Rental's business model is built around providing customers with a convenient, hassle free car rental experience. To achieve this, Enterprise employs a unique operational strategy that sets them apart from other competitors. One of the key factors that contribute to its success is their fleet management strategy. So, Enterprise maintains a vast network of vehicles ranging from compact cars to SUVs and vans. To cater to diverse customer needs, this vast fleet allows Enterprise to offer a wide range of vehicles to customers, increasing the chances of finding the perfect vehicle for their needs. Vehicle acquisition and disposal. Enterprise fleet management strategy also involves the acquisition and disposal of vehicles. The company has established relationships with major automobile manufacturers, allowing them to purchase vehicles at competitive prices. Customer-centric approach. Enterprise customer-centric approach is another key factor that contributes to their success. The company has implemented various initiatives to ensure that customers have a seamless and hassle-free car rental experience. Using enterprise car rental can offer several benefits, but it's also important to be aware of potential drawbacks. So, among its benefits would be convenience, wide range of vehicles, and competitive pricing. But among the challenges would be vehicle availability and hidden fees. That is how enterprise car rental work.